Thanks for watching BDI Tech. Click the subscribe button, then enable notifications with the bell icon so you won't miss any future videos. Hey, what's up guys, Faisal here with another amazing video on our channel $1 Billion iTech. If you're looking for secondary backup phone, meet the world's thinnest credit card size phone I have ever seen. Yes my friends, it's a teeny tiny little phone. It kinda look like a fan remote or calculator, which might save your life one day out of your wallet. Stay tuned, at the end of this video I'll show you the coolest part, how to change the IMEI number in case you want to be James Bond. You know what I mean, right? Alright guys, let's take a closer look and see what we have got in the box. Opening up, we get the card phone wrapped in plastic cover. User manual and micro USB cable for charging. Let's power up the phone. Slide the small button at the bottom. It's kinda like a switch. And press the end key to power up. The opening tone sounds similar, isn't it? For the design, not only this thing is super slim, but also small in size to fit in your wallet. Front we have the 1-inch display with speaker. The keypad is okay at this price range. Also, the primary microphone is here too. At the bottom we have charging port and power button. At the back, SIM slot which can take nano SIM cards. Moving along to battery life, this phone comes with 320 mAh battery which will get you through couple of days easily. Top we also get a slot where we can attach a tag which you can try it at around the neck like an ID card. This phone comes with 6 different colors. This is a black color. The call quality is average, will definitely help you in SOS time. Well, when it comes to software and performance, this thing packs everything. With top basic features like phone book, messaging app, call center, settings, you can save 500 contacts. You can also read and write and send messages. It has organizer app which has calendar, alarm and even a calculator, which seems pretty damn fitting in this scenario. Last, profile to set ringtone, volume, etc. etc. It also supports Bluetooth 2.0, which you can connect the Bluetooth headset to it. You may not able to use fancy apps like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram or any internet. For your information, this mobile is not waterproof. But here's the deal, if you're looking for the thinnest best downgrade money can buy, this card phone is probably the best option there. To change the IMEI number of this mobile, we need to type a code *#06#. Here we can see the IMEI number of this mobile on the screen. So to change the IMEI number, we will dial another code *5353#. Then we go to the options, edit, and we can put any IMEI number over here. Once done, we will save it and the phone will reboot automatically. Once the phone is rebooted, we'll check the IMEI number. If you want to change back the IMEI number to the original one, you may proceed with the same process. That being said, let me know what you guys think about the card phone. For $10, it's an interesting phone which you can grab it if you need a secondary backup phone. I will leave a link in the description if you want to grab one. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I'm your host Faisal. Until then, peace.